Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to retrieve lost streaks on Snapchat. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to get your streaks back easily. So, the first step is going to Snapchat and going to your Bitmoji at the top left corner. Once you do that, you're gonna be here and just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. And this is your settings. So, all you have to do is scroll down to ask for help or I need help, and then tap on that. Once you're here, there will be a search button here, and all you have to do is search for streaks. Once you're here, just tap on the very top one. How do snap streaks work and when do they expire? So just scroll down, and as you can see on related articles, there's I lost my snap streak, how do I restore it? Tap on that and just scroll down, tap on X and this, submit, and then now contact us. So just tap on that and then tap on I lost my snap streak. Now, how do I restore my snap streak? And it'll tell you how you can restore it, but first you have to type your details, your username, address, number, and device. Like for example, I'm using my iPhone 10, so add that. And then when did you start having this, and your friend's Snapchat username, and also all of these. Just type whatever description that they need from you, and once you do this, they will get back to you in 24 hours to help you with your problem. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.